Enterprise content management solution comprises of strategies, policies, skills any organization would need to manage their digital assets. The digital asset could be a document, could be a web content, could be images. Many organizations are nowadays adopting to the CCM solutions to manage their content on a day-to-day basis. Alfresco is one of the solution provider for enterprise content management. Security is a very important aspect for any ECM solution because all the contents or digital asset that we store in ECM carry sensitive information about the organization. So to store and preserve this content from unauthorized users is very important. Episoft is a mailroom automation solution. It is a web-based and open source solution. It is easy to use, easy to deploy, and it also does not lock you onto your proprietary stack. Episoft helps the business processes to run in a cost-effective manner by automatically classifying, separating, sorting, and extracting the information from the documents, which could be in a paper, which could be in a fax, or which could be in any electronic format. Combination of Alfresco and Episoft brings a very strong document capture and ECM solution in the market. Better of it is it's built on open source platform, due to which it is easy to use, easy to configure for any company who receives documents into a hard copy, emails or faxes. This solution also distributes the document to various destinations such as different lines of businesses within an organization, to a specific individual or to a department. Integration of Alfresco and Episoft brings to any organization or developer a rich set of functionalities like data tracking, OCR, plus scanning, extraction, classifying, distribution, content management, document management, and records management.